Hey YouTube, I just wanted to make this video to tell you, as you should all probably already know, that I'm not making the daily vlogs anymore because I realized my life is not that fun. So, I'll be uploading vlogs as much as I can, but it probably won't be too often. Well, I'll try to, trust me. But look at that. Look at how I'm so green. I've lost it. Really have. We need to clean this. So, go subscribe to Sethkenefick, and it's called Sedgeandogy. Never let other people do your house, because this is what happens. Wait. What? I'm in the back porch.
Why are you back there?
Because I want to. Making a video. Say hi to the people of YouTube.
Hello.
He's so happy he joined the band, aren't you?
Not really.
Why? Yay, car. What are you? You're covering up that it's okay, Kyle. But you were covering up that it's made by that company. He was covering that up. Welcome. Wait, look how bad this sky looks. And look how clear it is. Just by the autofocus.
Look.
What? Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Well, I should probably go. Peace out.